Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a LA115 here. She dies down at idle. I'll show you what it does. Also starts smoking too. So I'm gonna check the coil. I'm just gonna take the spark plug here out. I'm gonna put my light tester here. So now we're getting spark, so I'm going to change the spark plug. Looks a little rich. Looks like the carburetor flooding itself. Might be the bad needle overfilling the carb. I put a new one here. Okay, try that again. So now I'm going to take the carburetor apart. I'm going to take this off. There's a screw back here. Screw off these two bolts. I'm going to take the dipstick out, and this slides up, and then you can get at the carburetor. Some will have a different setup here. Take bigger bolts, smaller bolts. This one takes a 8mm. There's a vent tube here. Don't forget to plug that back in. The choke rod there will stay in here for now. Right now, take the spring off. Anyway, slide the choke arm out here. Fuel line, and unplug the bottom of your carburetor. This carburetor looks really, really clean. That's why it's not hunting. Take that off. Take the old needle out. There's some dirt in there. This needle's a little dirty too. I'm gonna stick it back in. First, I'm going to put my choke rod right in the groove here. Then, put my spring. And my governor rod, best I can. Put my vent tube here, back on here. Yep, been working good. Back in here. Yeah. Now you screw goes back in here, but this one doesn't have one. Put the air filter back on. All right, I'm gonna put this on here at the bottom of the carburetor. I won't start without that. Put a little gas in the carburetor there just to help it start. Choke on. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.